Hello everybody, this is Bill the Adjuster with your Independence Day tip of the year. Tip of the week, tip of the year. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Interesting stuff happens on the 4th of July that doesn't happen all year long. And for the most part, that's fireworks. Can fireworks be an insurance claim? Yes. But the question is, how does fireworks sort of relate to the entire insurance industry? You've probably all seen the commercial, right? The zombie apocalypse. You know, everybody says, oh, we cover for the zombie apocalypse if it would ever happen. And yes, it probably would be covered. The probably would ever happen is the difference, right? I don't think the zombie apocalypse is going to happen. And if it was, I'm not really worried that my homeowner's insurance is going to matter at that time. But I can tell you there's a lot of simple things that most people don't understand that are covered. And fireworks is sort of that trigger to my mind about some of those covered events. So fireworks themselves, they'll land on the patio, the roof. In the cities with flat roofs, we find it quite often. Burn marks in a rubber roof, sparklers on decks and patios. But we definitely see events from fireworks. Besides the explosiveness, it's generally hot embers or debris from the fireworks that create the loss. So I know they're beautiful when you watch them. There's a nighttime view right there. But there are many, I would say many, claims that go unrecognized. We generally don't find them till a leak occurs and we're trying to figure out how a burn mark got put into a roof, and it's generally related to a local fireworks discharge. Now, granted, fireworks are becoming more and more common amongst the everyday user. I think the laws have lightened up quite a bit. So I think these are going to become more common. So probably not a bad idea if there was fireworks really close to your house to have it inspected and looked at probably the next day or so. So some stuff that happens at the 4th of July parties, barbecues, the grill too close to the house. I've done entire tips on the grill too close to the house. It's a pretty common loss. You know, a lot going on, a lot of entertaining, a lot of people. You run in the house real quickly and don't realize that, the grill was on and it's flaring up. Fire pits on patios are really common now, all kinds of variations of that. Fire pit embers onto Trex decking or synthetic decking, even wood decking, puts a burn mark or a melt mark into the decking itself. And while you're having a party, you have, I used to say women with high heels. Now it's not correct, right? Anyone wearing high heels. Running throughout the house, putting serious dents in hardwood flooring. So there's a good chance that you have physical damage to your property just from entertaining that was accidental in nature. And again, I mentioned in the fireworks, sparklers, they're actually a big one. Sparklers are hot. We give them to kids. They get the spark on their hand, it burns, they drop it. It puts a really good scorch or burn mark in your deck or your patio. And these are covered losses, much like the zombie apocalypse, but more likely to have happened. So I have a trivia question. If you can name 2 of the signers of the Declaration of Independence that went on to be President of the United States, send me an email at billu@metropa.com, and I'll be glad to put you in a chance to win an Echo Dot. Thanks very much. This is Bill the Adjuster, and I hope you really enjoyed it. I knew that would be covered, kind of my new summer series. Please share the video, share the link. If you have any questions, you can talk to the person that shared this email, or you can email me directly at smartclaim@metropa.com. Thanks, everybody. Have a great holiday. Or I hope you did.